Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace Flex Downspout extension. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So I had this Flex here, but it's broken. You know why? Because I did not remove it during winter and it was full of ice. Somebody stepped over and it's gone. This year I'll be careful. Step number one is pretty simple. If you have installed a screw, take it out. It's pretty simple. With just a simple screwdriver you can take it off. Okay, you don't need to put any hard effort. Okay, and take this out, take a new one and install it over here. But before that I will enlarge it as long as I can. After I elongated it, I just pushed it here and we can just follow the mark where it was before. I don't want to take another like screw, another mark, and I can just push it over there. Now in the same hole, just push the screw. You don't need any sophisticated tool. It's pretty simple, and most of these materials are enough for the screw to get in. And make sure it goes, the end of your pipe goes away from your house, so that any water that is going to fall from the gutters go as far as possible from your house, at least like 5 to 10 feet away from your basement foundation walls. So that's it guys, let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.